Alright, so shout out to HVAC Explorations for requesting this. This is a 2001 Trane XR1400 air conditioner. Super high efficiency. It's running right now. It's a really nice unit, actually. Model number RTY036A100A0, serial number Z044KUL1F. Manufactured in 2001. It's got R22. That suction light's going sweaty, and that's outlet temperature right here. Probably taking good pictures out of this unit. This is a really nice one. 14-seater 2001 Trane air conditioner. Super high efficiency. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.